Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be playing Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. This game just became free on Xbox Live, so I decided why not? Let's go ahead and play. So let's begin. I'm not gonna make this a series. I'm gonna continue playing Devil May Cry, which I have right here. But I thought this would be a nice little startup since I haven't posted many videos lately. Give me a second to pause. I'm gonna turn on subtitles for you guys. Audio, video. No, do they not have subtitles? Oh, well, I'll just turn up the volume then. What are these fucking controls? Oh god. So, I have no idea what this game is about. I don't know what it could be. All I know is that it's sort of a Swedish game. So if you're not Swedish, you might hear things that you don't know what they mean. Like that first part, I had no idea what they were saying. Because I speak only English and a tiny bit of Japanese. So, let's see. Controls for this game are kind of wonky, a bit hard to control, and if I let go of one brother, it just messes up the whole thing, so... Come on, go forward. Yeah, you can make it. Congrats, you did it. Oh, no, no, what? Congrats, you did it. Um, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do here. controls, please. Uh, oh. This game gives you no clue on what you're supposed to do, so I'm trying to concentrate. So sorry if I'm being sort of quiet. I'm trying to figure out on what I'm supposed to be doing here, because I just jumped in here and I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea who that man sick is. I have no idea. Not any of this stuff. Um, there's something I'm supposed to be doing here. They make it so they're turning it. Let's see, how long has this been going? 7 minutes? Yeah, sorry it's being so slow. I don't plan on making this a series. I just wanted to do a quick video of a game, and so I decided, might as well do, a new game that came out today. Well, it didn't come out today. It was free today. It became free today. Sir, can you please speak English? Yeah, I have no idea what any of these people are saying. Sorry, guys, I can't translate a thing. But apparently, I'm off to go find some remedy for, I think, their father. This game is confusing. It doesn't help that I control each brother separately. I control the. Okay, you guys see the controller. I control the little brother with these and this button. I control the older brother with this and that button. Think of how confusing this has gotta be. How the fuck do I get out? Yeah, there we go. Guess I found my way out. been scared of water ever since his mother's death. It's a beautiful game, I can admit that, just it's confusing. That didn't work. Yeah, this is going to be a very slow video. Oh god, I'm sorry everyone who's watching this. Oh god, what am I supposed to do there? Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm sorry if it seems a bit short or boring. I didn't expect it to. Didn't know what to expect out of this game, and I definitely will not. Not. I probably won't be recording more. So I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.